Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world where artificial intelligence meets genetics. Imagine having a workout plan that's not just generic, but tailored specifically to your DNA. With recent advancements, AI can now analyze your genetic data and design a fitness routine that matches your unique biology. In this video, we'll explore how you can use AI to create a custom workout plan based on your DNA results, making your fitness journey more effective and personalized than ever before. Generic workout plans often fail to deliver optimal results because they don't consider individual differences. Our bodies respond differently to exercise due to genetic variations. Some people build muscle easily, while others excel in endurance. By using your DNA data, AI can identify these differences and create a plan that truly fits you. This means you'll spend less time guessing and more time seeing real progress. Before you can use AI to design your workout, you'll need your DNA results. Companies like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA provide reports that highlight genetic markers related to fitness, such as muscle composition, recovery speed, and injury risk. Understanding these markers is the first step. Once you have your results, you'll be ready to feed this information into an AI-powered platform. Some of the most important genetic markers for fitness include ACTN3, which influences muscle power, and ACE, which affects endurance. Other markers can indicate your risk of injury, how quickly you recover, and even your motivation levels. AI algorithms analyze these markers to determine which exercises and routines will be most effective for you. AI platforms use machine learning algorithms to interpret your DNA data. They compare your genetic markers with large databases of fitness outcomes, identifying patterns and predicting how your body will respond to different types of exercise. This process is fast, accurate, and far more comprehensive than manual analysis. There are several AI-powered platforms available that can interpret your DNA data and generate a workout plan. Look for platforms that are reputable, secure, and transparent about how they use your genetic information. Popular options include DNA Fit, Fitness Genes, and other emerging apps. Always check reviews and privacy policies before uploading your data. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is uploading your DNA data. Most services allow you to upload raw data files from companies like 23andMe. The process is usually straightforward. Log in, find the upload section, and follow the instructions. Make sure your data is accurate and complete for the best results. After uploading, the AI gets to work. It scans your genetic markers, cross-references them with scientific studies, and builds a profile of your strengths and weaknesses. This analysis is the foundation for your personalized workout plan. The process typically takes just a few minutes, and you'll receive a detailed report outlining the findings. With your genetic profile in hand, the AI platform creates a workout plan tailored to your needs. This plan might include recommendations for cardio, strength training, flexibility, and recovery. Each exercise is chosen based on how your body is likely to respond, maximizing your results and minimizing the risk of injury. For example, if your DNA indicates a predisposition for power sports, your plan might emphasize weightlifting and sprints. If you're genetically inclined toward endurance, you'll see more running and cycling. The AI also considers recovery needs, suggesting rest days and stretching routines as needed. Your fitness goals matter too. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or improve endurance, the AI incorporates your objectives into the plan. You'll answer a few questions about your goals, and the system will adjust the recommendations accordingly, ensuring your plan stays relevant and motivating. AI platforms don't just create your plan, they help you track progress too. By logging your workouts and feedback, the system learns how you're responding and can make real-time adjustments. This feedback loop ensures you're always on the right track and making steady progress toward your goals. Many AI fitness platforms also offer nutrition advice based on your DNA. Your genetic makeup can affect how you metabolize carbs, fats, and proteins. By integrating nutrition and exercise, You get a holistic plan that supports your fitness journey from all angles. Uploading your DNA data online raises privacy concerns. It's crucial to choose platforms that use strong encryption and have clear privacy policies. Your genetic information is sensitive, so make sure you understand how it will be stored, used, and protected before proceeding. While DNA-based plans are powerful, they're not perfect. Genetics is just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle, environment, and motivation also play major roles in fitness success. Use your AI-generated plan as a guide, but remember to listen to your body and adjust as needed. One of the biggest advantages of AI is its ability to learn. As you log more workouts and provide feedback, the system refines its recommendations. Over time, your plan becomes even more personalized, adapting to changes in your fitness level and goals. Many AI fitness platforms can sync with wearable devices like smartwatches or fitness trackers. This integration provides real-time data on your activity, heart rate, and sleep, allowing the AI to make even more accurate recommendations and adjustments. AI-powered platforms often include motivational features like reminders, progress badges, and community support. These tools help keep you accountable and engaged, making it easier to stick with your personalized plan and reach your goals. If you experience an injury or health setback, AI platforms can adjust your plan accordingly. By updating your status, the system will recommend alternative exercises or rest periods, ensuring you recover safely while staying active. Your DNA results may reveal family trends, such as a history of certain injuries or strengths. AI can use this information to further refine your plan, helping you avoid common pitfalls and leverage inherited advantages. AI platforms stay updated with the latest fitness research and trends. Your plan may include innovative exercises or routines that are gaining popularity, keeping your workouts fresh and exciting. A good AI fitness platform should be easy to use, with a clear interface and helpful guidance. Look for features like progress dashboards, easy navigation, and responsive support to ensure a smooth experience. While some AI fitness platforms are free, others require a subscription. Consider your budget and the features you need. Many services offer free trials, so you can test the platform before committing. Many platforms offer community features, such as forums or group challenges. These can provide extra motivation and support, helping you stay engaged and learn from others on a similar journey. Besides DNA, you can often customize your plan with personal preferences, like favorite activities, available equipment, or workout times. The AI blends these preferences with your genetic data for a plan that fits your lifestyle. It's important to review your plan regularly. As your fitness improves or your goals change, update your profile so the AI can adjust your recommendations. This keeps your workouts challenging and effective. Many users have seen impressive results with AI-driven, DNA-based fitness plans. From faster muscle gains to improved endurance, these stories highlight the power of personalized training. Remember, your journey is unique, and your results will reflect your commitment and consistency. The future of fitness is bright with AI and genetics working together. As technology evolves, expect even more accurate and holistic plans, integrating mental health, sleep, and lifestyle factors for a truly comprehensive approach. Ready to try it yourself? Start by ordering a DNA test if you haven't already. Once you have your results, choose a trusted AI fitness platform, upload your data, and begin your personalized fitness journey. Remember, the key is consistency and openness to new technology. In summary, using AI to create a custom workout plan based on your DNA results is a game changer for personal fitness. You get a plan that's truly yours, backed by science and technology. Embrace this new era of personalized health and unlock your full potential with the power of AI and genetics.